This is the Hit the Target training video. As you'll notice, the starting line has been marked and laid out on the ground. The vehicle is behind the starting line. The distance that the target is set up at is 6 feet to the front of the X, 8 feet to the back of the X, with the line segments transecting across the square for the target area. The vehicle is staged however the team wants, as long as it's behind the starting line. When the vehicle is released and moves forward, the vehicle moves, and then we get to evaluate it. The evaluation is simply done with a tape measure, measuring from what is considered the center of the X to the closest component of the vehicle. So in this case, looking at this, I would say that the vehicle is about 6.5 inches away from the center of the X. In the event that we have a vehicle that sits immediately on the X, that would be a zero distance. Even if it's any component like this where there is basically zero distance, we would mark it as zero distance. So this is the Hit the Target training video. Again, the starting line is set up. There are 6 feet to the front of the X. Those lines are parallel. To the back of the X is 8 feet, parallel to the front line, and perpendicular lines are then taped with an X transecting across the center of the square.